Hi, welcome to this video, the latest in the Trailside and Roadside repairs series. So what we're looking at today is if your bike has fallen against the gears onto the gear side, either with you or if it was just if it blew over when you were having a coffee, and has actually bent the hanger or the derailleur. What we're looking at is the changes you can make to the gears so that you get them working again, you get the full range of gears working again, and also you protect your wheel. So what we have here is an example of your derailleur, your cassette, with the limit screws set for the higher limit and the lower limit. This is with your derailleur as it's meant to be. If you've had a crash and it has pushed your derailleur across, then what's going to happen is that your higher limit will now be here and your lower limit will be here. And that's where you end up with the risk of pushing your derailleur into the spokes. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to move the higher limit back across so that the chain can get right across to that smallest cog, and we're then going to close down the lower limit so that we're going to stop the derailleur and the chain coming closer to the wheel. That way we'll protect the spokes and all the other kit. So that's what we're going to do next. So as I said, we've got issues with the range of movement of the hanger and the mech. So if I try to go down to the smallest cog, I can get to that cog there, but I can't get it to go any lower. Now if we have a look at the opposite end of the spectrum, we'll see that actually we can end up going too far. Can you hear that noise? That twanging sound is actually the cage pushing against the spokes, and if I try to change another gear which is available to me, I would end up with the chain going into the spokes. So we just need to change those limits. Okay, so this is the limit screw for the highest gear. The first thing I'm going to do is just undo it slightly, and you can see the cage begin to move across. We'll then add in a pedal and the chain shifts across and into place. The next thing we're going to do is make an adjustment to the lower limit screw, which is here. So I'm actually just going to screw it in slightly before it's engaged. This is because I want to be able to test but manually how far the limit screw is. I don't want to risk the chain coming off and going into the spokes. So if you make that change manually, you can check it and catch the chain before it goes too far. So that is now in the right place, so I'm going to just screw in my limit screw until it engages, and now I can't push that any further, and that's rectified that problem. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you'd like to understand more about the theory of gears, check out my video on it. Otherwise, just have a look around my YouTube and subscribe if you'd like to. If you want to learn more and do more mechanics, I teach online and also face-to-face when it's allowed in the UK. So check out my website www.vickybikes.co.uk and get in touch. I'd love to hear from you.